Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Mount Hood Studio podcast. I'm your host Ankit Adwal, founder and CEO of Mount Hood Studio. How are you all? Hope you are having a good time. Here, the weather is awesome. Yesterday, it started raining and everything got cooled. The atmosphere became greener and alive. Surroundings were so beautiful when rain stopped, and I decided to record my first episode on what is design. Me and my team member Kapil, who is a backend developer, have brought something unique for you and wanted to clear everything related to design.
Yes, I was at home enjoying my tea, watching clouds move, and the cold breeze was making me so happy that I started wondering. I'm living in such a beautiful place and I'm so close to nature that I feel blessed right now. Also, I was getting so many ideas for a podcast that I was so excited to share my thoughts.
Yes, there was something magical. I was so happy and many thoughts were going into my mind. I wanted to discuss everything with our design community and was confused about where to start. So I thought it would be better to start from the beginning because in our community there will be people who are newbies, pro and expert. I want to build a community for all and help them as much as I can. Starting from the beginning will be the best start. What do you say?
Yes, it's a great idea and I totally agree with you. We must break the biggest misconception that goes around the non design and design community, that is, design and art are the same thing.
It's been 3+ years. I'm in this design industry and read so many definitions about what is design. People think that design is an art, and I agree with this up to some extent. But in reality, this is not how it goes. But still, when I ask people and even my fellow friends, they get confused and have misconceptions about what design actually is. So, I think I have to be precise while sharing my experience with you and what I have learned over the years. The definition in order to make you people understand that both design and art are two different sides of a coin. That's why we call people who create art are known as artists and person creating designs are known as designers.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah. So in every company the definition can vary depending upon how they think, what their perception is and based on the experiences.
Right.
For instance, according to me, art is something that is created by the person who wishes to convey his or her emotions to the world, and design is something that is created by the designer for the emotion of its audience or for the people that it's made for.
Right.
So now we are clear of what art and design is. Let's get back to the bigger question that we are discussing here today.
Yeah, I agree with you. And on daily basis, you interact with designers and clients. They have their own definition of design. So, if you can elaborate more on what design exactly is.
Mhm.
This is the biggest question that comes across various people who are aspiring to become designers or who recently got into the field.
So, okay, yeah, sure. What you're trying to say is this is a question: what exactly is design? Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. According to Paul Rand, one of the world's finest graphic designer, he said design is everything. And yes, I agree to this. But according to me, design is a mixture of shapes, colors, and typography, which are used to create something beautiful, iconic, and unique. Design is basically a plan that is created solely for the people, so that they will be benefit from it and bring some new perspective to them.
Right.
Design in every field varies and might have different meaning for every designer according to their respective fields.
Yeah.
Design is not related to graphic designing. It is itself a very large and broader field. Yeah, but the base meaning for every designer is that create something that is new to the people and helps them relate to that particular design.
Okay, hold on. That was deep. Can you give me an example?
Okay, sure. For example, a logo design is created to show the identity of a company. It helps a business to tell the tale of the work and establish a reliable connection between a customer and that business owner. So, for a logo design expert, a design is something that helps in establishing a trustworthy relationship between people by creating something new. I think it should convey a message which directly touches the customer's mind and heart. The most important thing that we need to keep in mind is that copying something to create a design is not actually considered as design. This is what I feel. Design is solely a designer's creativity that is derived from other resources.
Yeah.
We can look at others' work for inspiration, but copying it is not exactly design.
Right.
Yeah. Take logo design for example. The first step in logo designing is to look for inspiration from various resources and then create your own thing.
Right.
Uh, there are so many logo designs out there that use designs similar to popular companies in their field, but that is false promotion.
Uh-huh.
When a design is created, the purpose is to trigger the feeling of the audience it's made for.
Right. So you're saying that while purchasing something, customer emotions play a great role in design, and the design is made for particular emotion so that the user is satisfied and the purpose of the design is fulfilled.
Yes, correct. The purpose of creating something new is that it helps in bringing a new perspective to the life of a person and eases them in taking decisions that are important for them. We all wish for a life that is meaningful and fulfills its purpose. The same goes for design. Its purpose is to be meaningful and fulfill its desired work.
Yeah, now I'm getting your point, and I think our listeners will also get an idea what exactly is. The whole concept of design would be clear, and people will definitely learn from it.
Definitely, and I've just started talking about this field. And I think design is the most essential part of any of the fields. Design is a foundation for building a house of one's creativity and then showcase it to the whole world. No matter which designing field we are in, we will continue to help the world by doing our part and keep on designing something that is motivating and helping others. I would like our listeners to tell us about when you entered the designing field and what is your specialization. What you like the most about design? According to you, what is the true definition of design? I would love to connect with the designers, artists, and corporate agencies from around the world.
Oh, okay, wait. Also, help Mountwood Studio build a design community where we all can share our experiences and grow together. Do follow us on Apple Podcast, Spotify, SoundCloud, Google Podcast, Stitcher, and any other platform you can think of. We are available on all major platforms.
This is all for today. We are signing off and hope I'll see your listeners connecting with me. I'll be waiting for you guys. Take care of yourself. Keep designing and keep inspiring. Your host for the show, Ankit Udwal.